of the best times that I've ever known. Playing with sticks and skipping stones, what could be better? And I remember those summer nights, sleeping out underneath the stars so bright. I wish I wish I might stay here forever. And then I'd like a lunch and grab a pole, and we'd head around to the fishing hole without a care and filled with wonder. It was a dog days of summer, hanging out with all my friends, hoping that the sunny days would never end. What is the magic spell we're under? It was a dog days of summer. Long tall glass of lemonade, sitting out back on the porch in the shade. I bet I could have sat there for days. What could be better? Blue skies and you and me, swinging from the tire on the sycamore tree. No other place I would rather be, but it can't last forever. And then I'd like a lunch and grab a pole, and we head around to the fishing hole without a care and filled with wonder. It was a dog days of summer, hanging out with all my friends, hoping that the sunny days would never end. What is the magic spell we're under? It was a dog days of summer. Always have these memories, but I'm just so happy spending days like these with good friends and family. What could be better? And so I